There's Indica gigantica. Black copper marine. Indica. That was so pretty. And Mustang Americana laced up. All of my chickens are healthy and they don't fight a pecking order. There's a tailless look at you, turkey. You swelling up, huh, turkey? Get off my back! And now, look at that double beard, double mustache. Yeah, this setting looks a lot better. See, I'm learning how to do all this. So get off of me! My fluffy friends. When they were younger, I used to let them sit on my lap and stuff. So now, they think they can just jump up on me. They're not trying to eat me, they're trying to bond with me. Because I raised every one of these guys from an egg or a baby. I didn't buy no bird fully grown. These guys aren't even a year old. These are all youngins. None of them's even had one egg yet. Now these guys are older right there. They're my first batch. That's a part of the first batch. And some of the black copper marines and Easter eggers, but there's not many. Like that's one of the old roosters. I say old, he's a year and a half. This is their first year of laying, those guys. And I really didn't produce any of their eggs because it was the first year. And they weren't isolated enough for me to be able to guarantee that they were all purebred. So we sold those as mints or we ate them. The eggs. And these eggs are so much better than any eggs you can get from a store. I'm telling you, I can work 3 hours. I can work 9 hours on 3 eggs, which I can't do on 2 meals. Without being shaky, without getting hungry. Alright, I just went and splurged on a new 4K Ultra HD camcorder. So, hopefully everybody is happy. They're able to see how healthy these birds are, how well taken care of all of them are. These are breasty meat birds right there. You can tell by the blue feet, the dark feet. So, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. We do this for Haven's Homestead. It's about my nephew and about these chickens. So God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace.